Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a embossing folder technique. It's something I haven't tried, but I watched Sabine from Cross Keys Crafts and she used this technique and I thought let me try it as well. I even commented under her video saying that I will give it a go, and these are my two images which I did and I played with them. So when I did a little bit more research, most of the crafters, they were saying that you should use a 3D embossing folder, but I don't have 3D embossing folders which are suitable for this technique, because you need to have quite a big spaces where you can ink it. So I'm using this one by Chloe. It's from one of her magazines, and this one I think it's by Crafter's Companion, and as you can see it's a nice big snowflake, and as you can see it looks good, but you know it's like a shabby chic a little bit. But I will use this embossing folder, and I thought I will actually add pink into the petals and keep the sea yellow in the center. So let me bring my panel. So this one, it's like you emboss your card, and that's the correct side, but you have to turn it over and you have to use the deboss side. So I've got some inks here. These are by Spectrum Noir, so these are the ones I used previously, and I'm going to use the yellow as well. I think I've got enough ink on my brush already, so let me just go ahead. And you don't have to worry about where you put your inks so much on those parts, because they will be covered with the darker ink. Maybe I will actually bring more of that yellow. So which one shall I use? I think I'll use the scattered straw, and the lid flew away, but it's okay. Yes, so I'm going to ink the center with yellow. Got something on my hand as well, this one as well, and then the petals, I think I want to have them pink for a change. I remember from my parents' garden, the daisies, sometimes they've got the pink petals as well, so I will try to recreate that. So let me just grab that lid. Actually, I don't see that lid anymore. Anyway, so let me put that aside, and let me bring my pink brush, and I'm going to work on those. So I'm using that fuchsia, and I want quite dark color, so you can really see. Or actually it would be nice to have a little bit white showing as well, because as far as I remember, those daisies were not really properly pink. They were like a kind of ombre. So I'm using that, and I really want to know if you know this technique. Have you seen it before? Because it was quite new to me, but I really like the effect, and I really wanted to give it a go as well. So, and of course I'm going to make a card with that. So let's see how it's going to turn out. Okay, so that's enough, I think. Let me put that ink away, and I think I will stick with that navy color. What else I wanted to do? I was thinking, I haven't actually seen it, but maybe it would be nice to use a alcohol marker. I've got one from Stampin' Up, and I'm going to put some dots in here. Let's see if it's going to work or not. I actually haven't seen a video where someone colored the image with alcohol marker and used the same technique. So let's see if it's going to work out. Not sure how the ink is going to react with that, but I think it should be fine. And that's the same, that should be green actually. And yes, so let me do this way. don't want this video to be very long, but I really want to try and see, because sometimes it's good to try new things. And probably you know that I'm not so much into embossing folders, but I thought this technique looked so cool that I really wanted to give it a go. Few more spots and this one will be ready. And I really like how the alcohol marker reacts with the ink, kind of changes the color slightly, and I'm okay with that. I actually didn't realize that you can actually see the stem here, but it's okay, maybe not many people will notice that. Of course now you can hear me saying, but that's fine. Maybe I actually could take a green alcohol marker and do this. Maybe I should. Have I missed any more dots? No, I think that's fine. It's going to be colorful. Let me pause for a moment and I will grab alcohol marker in green. So I've got the tri-blend alcohol marker. Let me go for the middle one maybe. Let's see, looks good. And now let's go for the inking. Let's see some so I'm going to use this midnight color, so it's the dark blue, navy blue. And this is a bit scary because you know you have to use a brayer and go over the whole image with your ink, which of course will cover some of the areas more, some of the areas a bit less, and then you have to repeat until you're happy with the background. So make sure that you apply enough ink, and then let's see which way. Let's do it this way. Oh wow, see, and then apply more. Keep going until you are happy with the result. I was thinking about using black, as most people they were using black ink, but I think with that pink, with that fuchsia color, the navy looks really pretty. And I think the edges I could actually correct with blending brushes. I like that. And of course, once the ink will dry, it will be slightly lighter, because now everything is wet. For some reason, there are still some white patches I can see, but let me see if I can maybe do it with the edge of my brayer. Yeah, I will try to take my brush and add color by hand, like so. And maybe I can pick up that color from my glass mat. I can already see my fingers will be really dark, but that's fine. So I will add a little bit more here. But then I can see that you have to be very careful with the brush, inking brush, because you will color actually the inside in the emboss areas. So shall I go back with the brayer maybe? Anyway, I think I'm happy. It doesn't have to be that perfect. So let me actually clean my mat. Let me just pause for a second and I will clean my hands, my mat and everything. So I've got my white card base, I've got my pinkish layer. It's not exactly the same color I thought it's going to be, but I think it's fine. So let me just glue my card and I will pick a sentiment as well, I think. So let me see what I can do with that. And I think I'm happy with the result. It's different. It looks much different than if you would use it in a traditional way. So I think it's something nice to try. So yeah, I hope you're going to give it a go as well, and show me your results. Share it with me if you can, because that's such a cool technique. It's a bit messy. If you don't like messy, then probably it's not for you, but I don't mind that much. So just make sure that I put it straight. I think let's go down slightly. Yeah, and I'm really happy with that card. I hope the ink is dry actually. Yeah, and it looks actually very good on the camera. So I was thinking to pick a sentiment from this pad, and I used it recently, so yeah, maybe this one. Yeah, I'm thinking, should I use white or black? Because let me cut one. You make every day special. Maybe the white one. Let me cut it and I will see if it's the one I like. Because of course white will stand out really nice on this dark background. So let's see. Let me see through the camera. For some reason the end is bent a little bit, so let me try to make it nice and straight. If I will glue it, then it should be fine. So look at this. I think it looks perfect here at the bottom. Let me just cut a little sleeve at the end. I can see a little bit of black. Yes, and I'm going to use this one. Completely flat. Perfect card for maybe some happy mail. Oh, I don't know. Oh, now I don't know if should I put higher. Should I put it in the middle? Choices. No, I will keep it. I will stick it with the bottom. Yeah, and I'm really happy with that. So this is my card made with this new to me technique, a reverse embossing, which I think it's really cool. So yeah, what do you think about this? Have you tried it before? Or maybe you haven't, and you're going to go to your craft group and try it for yourself. So thank you so much for watching. As always, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, write me some comments, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing so you're not going to miss any new upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching once again. I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye for now.